Hey PTE aspirants! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for mastering the PTE academic and PTE core. In today's video, we're diving into a fresh Retell lecture practice, just like you'll face in the real exam. I'll play the lecture first, and then you'll hear the perfect model response, so you can boost your fluency, content, and pronunciation scores. Make sure you grab a notebook for keywords, because this is your moment to practice like a pro. And hey, before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a single practice session that could make all the difference in your PTE results. Happiness has long been studied by psychologists, economists, and neuroscientists. Research suggests that happiness is influenced by a combination of genetic factors, life circumstances, and personal choices. While income and material possessions can improve well-being to a certain extent, their impact tends to diminish over time. Studies indicate that strong social relationships, meaningful work, physical activity, and gratitude contribute more significantly to long-term happiness. Neuroscientists have also found that positive emotions are linked to specific brain activities and chemical processes. The lecture concludes that happiness is not solely determined by external conditions, but can be cultivated through habits and lifestyle choices. The lecture discusses the science of happiness and factors that influence well-being. It explains that happiness depends on genetics, life circumstances, and personal choices. While money can improve happiness temporarily, strong relationships, meaningful work, and healthy habits have a greater long-term impact. The speaker also mentions brain activity related to positive emotions and concludes that happiness can be developed through conscious lifestyle choices. Archaeology is the study of past human societies through the analysis of artifacts, structures, and other physical remains. Archaeologists use scientific methods to uncover evidence about how ancient civilizations lived, traded, governed, and interacted with their environment. Discoveries such as pottery, tools, and monuments provide valuable insights into cultural development and technological advancement. Modern technologies, including satellite imaging and DNA analysis, have improved the accuracy of archaeological research. These findings help historians reconstruct the past and better understand the evolution of human societies. The lecture concludes that archaeology plays a crucial role in preserving cultural heritage and expanding historical knowledge. The lecture explains archaeology as the study of ancient societies through physical evidence. It describes how artifacts, tools, and monuments help researchers understand historical cultures and technological progress. The speaker highlights the use of modern technologies such as satellite imaging and DNA analysis. The conclusion is that archaeology preserves cultural heritage and improves our understanding of human history. Behavioral patterns of migratory birds. Migratory birds travel thousands of kilometers each year between breeding and wintering grounds. Scientists believe that migration is influenced by seasonal changes, food availability, and environmental conditions. Birds use various navigation methods, including the position of the sun, stars, and Earth's magnetic field. Migration is physically demanding and exposes birds to threats such as habitat loss, climate change, and human activity. Researchers monitor migration patterns to understand ecosystem health and biodiversity changes. The lecture concludes that protecting migratory routes is essential for conserving bird populations and maintaining ecological balance. The lecture discusses migratory birds and the factors influencing their seasonal movements. It explains that birds travel long distances in search of favorable conditions and use natural navigation systems such as stars and magnetic fields. The speaker highlights threats including habitat loss and climate change. The conclusion is that protecting migration routes is important for biodiversity and ecological stability. The economics of sports industries. The sports industry has become a major contributor to economic activity worldwide. Revenue is generated through ticket sales, broadcasting rights, sponsorships, merchandise, and tourism. Large sporting events create employment opportunities and attract investment in infrastructure. However, hosting major events can also involve significant financial risks and long-term maintenance costs. Economists analyze both the benefits and challenges associated with sports investments. The lecture concludes that while sports industries stimulate economic growth, careful planning is necessary to ensure sustainable financial outcomes. The lecture explains the economic importance of the sports industry. It highlights revenue sources such as broadcasting, sponsorships, tourism, and merchandise. Major sporting events can create jobs and encourage investment, but they also involve financial risks and maintenance costs. The speaker concludes that proper planning is required to maximize economic benefits and achieve sustainable outcomes. Deep-sea exploration focuses on studying the least understood regions of the Earth's oceans. Scientists use submarines, remotely operated vehicles, and advanced sensors to investigate underwater ecosystems, geological formations, and marine species. Research has revealed unique organisms capable of surviving under extreme pressure and darkness. Deep-sea exploration also contributes to understanding climate systems, ocean circulation, and natural resources. However, technological limitations and high operational costs remain major challenges. The lecture concludes that continued exploration is important for scientific discovery and improving knowledge about the planet's largest ecosystem. The lecture discusses deep-sea exploration and its role in scientific research. It explains that scientists use advanced technologies to study underwater ecosystems, marine life, and geological structures. The speaker mentions discoveries of unique organisms living in extreme conditions. Despite high costs and technical challenges, deep-sea exploration is important for understanding oceans, climate systems, and natural resources. If you found this practice useful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps more learners find us. And for daily PTE tips, model answers, and prediction topics, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Comment below with your score goal, and I'll share a personalized study tip for you. Until next time, keep practicing and keep aiming higher. You've got this.